Hi guys, I'm back again with another video. I'm so sorry, I know I was a little missing in action because I had my college exams going on, and I'm that kind of person who does not study for college exams but put all other works as a stoppage. So I'm so sorry for that. I promise you and assure you guys that I'll be posting 2 videos per week from now. So yeah, now coming on to today's video topic, I'm going to talk to you guys about makeup brush sets that are easily available in India and which cost under rupees 700. Mind you guys, I'm going to talk to you guys about makeup brush sets that are under rupees 700 and not makeup brushes, because if I talk about makeup brushes that are under rupees 700, you will be like, are you kidding me? You're talking about for one makeup brush that costs under rupees 700 and that's hell expensive. No, I'm going to talk to you guys about makeup brush sets which will be having like 10 to 24 makeup brushes under rupees 700. Makeup brushes are a staple to level up your makeup game, but buying those makeup brushes in India can really burn a hole in your wallet. I know a lot of brands like Real Techniques, Morphe, Sedona Lace are offering brushes in India, but they are still very much on the expensive side because you don't want to pay rupees 750 for just an eyeshadow brush. So yeah, to save you from those expensive brushes, I've compiled 4 affordable makeup brush sets for you guys. I know you guys are like, just shut up now and show me the brushes. So without further rambling, I should just now show you the brushes. First makeup brush set that I bring for you guys are these brushes. These are a set of 10 brushes. These have 5 face brushes and 5 eye brushes. And just guess, just pause this video right now and guess these prices of these brushes and guess the price of these brushes. Wrong guesses. These makeup brush sets cost rupees 300 only. 300 for 10 makeup brushes that are superb quality and with 0% shedding of hair is a great deal. If you do the maths, it's about rupees 30 for one makeup brush. And if you're in Indian and you go to a normal stationery shop and buy and ask for like those paint brushes, वो भी नहीं आते हैं आजकल तो 30 rupees में. So getting makeup brushes 10 for rupees 300 are a great deal. I'll insert an individual comparative image of these makeup brushes. This particular makeup brush set has about 5 face brushes and 5 eye brushes. Just I'll show you these real quick. This is how the 5 face brushes look like and this is how the 5 eye brushes look like. The face brushes do a really great job at blending your foundation, your contour, your blush, your highlight, your compact, whatever you say, these brushes will do it. And for the eye brushes, these have amazing smudger brushes, amazing blending brushes, eyeshadow brushes. I'll have a direct link in the description box down below for you guys to purchase these are available of Amazon and these come with this pouch. So yeah, it's really easy to store them as well. Just see, done. The second makeup brush set that I have for you guys are these brushes. These are just the bigger version of the earlier shown brushes. This set also have 5 face brushes and 5 eyeshadow brushes. Brushes are exactly the same. I just like exactly the same, but the only difference is that they're a little taller in height and the thickness is a bit brushes that are in this pouch. So yeah, if you go by my advice, go for these makeup brushes because they are 400 cheaper than these brushes. These brushes retail for about 699 and these brushes retail for about 300. The third makeup brush set that I have for you guys is by this Naked 5 Urban Decay. This is not original Naked 5 Urban Decay, but they work just as fine. There are about 12 makeup brushes that come in this set and these brushes are really great if you really want particularly for your eye makeup. This has about 2 powder brushes, a blush brush and a foundation brush, but this has amazing eye brushes. I'll just show you those brushes, a few of those brushes to you real quick. Eye brushes look like this is a blending brush, an eye shade brush. This is for the eyebrows and this is again for eyebrows. So yeah, if you want like specific eye brushes and that too in a large quantity, you should go on with these brushes. These brushes are made out of goat hair and mind you, they have also 0% shedding of hair. I've been using these brushes for like 1 year now and I have experienced 0% shedding of hair whatsoever. So yeah, and this makeup brush sets retails for about 455. That also makes it to a big yay. And fourth makeup brush set that I bring for you guys is the star of the show. It has about 24 brushes. I'm just rolling down. So yeah, this is how it looks. See, this is how it looks. I hope you can see. This makeup brush sets includes 24 makeup brushes, which includes mascara spoolie, eyeshadow brushes, eyebrow brushes, face brushes, fan brushes, whatnot. Brushes real quick. This is like the fan brush, powder brush, foundation brushes, small fan brush, a lot of eye makeup brushes, spoolie, mascara, what not, man. This is like dream come true. And when I'll tell you the price of this, you will be like, shit man, I need to buy this right now. This makeup brush set cost around 680 rupees of eBay. I'll have a direct link in the description box down below for you guys to check out. Amazon has this for rupees 750 and eBay has this for rupees 680. If you want both of the links from like Amazon and eBay in the description down bar below, if you want, these makeup brushes are really bomb. This fan brush is like the star of the show. This works wonders. The foundation brush is really good. The powder brushes, even the eye brushes work great. It has so many brushes, and this case is obviously free with this. Bonus makeup brush set that I have for you guys, but that is not under rupees 700. Are these artist oval makeup brush dupes that are easily available in India. This cost about rupees 890. And if you want like real great makeup face brushes, you should go on with these brushes. This is like, see, heaven. I'll also have a link to buy these in the description bar down below. So I have done many reviews on these makeup brush sets in this video. If you want a detailed review of these makeup brush sets, just comment down below, because if I did a detailed review of these makeup brush sets in this video would be super long. So yeah, if you want a detailed review of any of these makeup brush sets and how it works and demo of these brushes, just comment down below. I would love to do that for you guys. Also, if you guys want to know how I clean my makeup brushes, how I store my makeup brushes, all you need to do is just comment down below, and I would love to do that video for you guys. That's all I wanted to talk to you guys in this video. If you guys found this video helpful, please like this video, comment down, and please subscribe to my channel for more such useful videos in the near future. Until next time, bye guys.